Welcome back. See the next question. A slab of stone of area 0.36 meter square and thickness 1 meter is exposed on a lower surface to a steam at 100 degrees Celsius. A block of ice at 0 degrees Celsius rests on the upper surface of the slab. Full stop. In 1 hour, 4.8 kg of ice is melted. The thermal conductivity of the slab is option A 1.24 joules per meter second degree Celsius, B 1.29 joules per meter degree Celsius second, C 2.05 joules per meter degree Celsius second, 1.02 joules per meter degree Celsius second. Now see what is the problem. एक स्टोन है उसके पीछे उसके नीचे ये स्टीम है. Steam provides the heat to the stone. The stone transfers the heat from higher temperature to lower temperature. यहाँ टेम्परेचर हायर है और यहाँ टेम्परेचर लोअर है. अगर यहाँ एक आइस का ब्लॉक रखते हैं तो इसका टेम्परेचर, ये साइड का टेम्परेचर कितना होने वाला है? 0. दिस इज द ब्लॉक ऑफ आइस. इसका टेम्परेचर, ए साइड का टेम्परेचर कितना? 0 और ए साइड का टेम्परेचर कितना है? 100. ये 100 है, ये 0 है. तो हीट यहाँ से यहाँ ट्रांसफ़र होने वाली है, कंडक्ट होने वाली है. तो ये कंडक्ट होने के बाद ये हीट ये आइस यूज़ कर रहा है किसके लिए? मेल्ट होने के लिए. कितना आइस मेल्ट हो गया? कितना आइस मेल्ट हो गया? 4.8 kg आइस मेल्ट हो गया. तो इतना जितनी हीट यहाँ से ट्रांसफ़र हो गई उतनी हीट इसने यूज़ करी. बाय यूजिंग दिस प्रिंसिपल वी कैन डिटरमाइन द value of coefficient of thermal conductivity of the slab. What are the givens? A slab of area 0.36 meter cube. इसका surface area. And D means thickness of the slab, means distance between these two layers, these two faces is D 0.1 meter. Higher temperature is 100 degrees Celsius and lower temperature है इसका 0 degree Celsius. And ये heat transfer कितना टाइम है? टाइम T is equal to 1 hour 3600 seconds. Mass of the ice is 4.8 kg and we have to determine the coefficient of thermal conductivity of this stone of this material. And latent heat of fusion of ice is given 3.36 into 10 to the power 5 joule per kg. बोले तो 1 kg आइस वाटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए कितनी एनर्जी चाहिए? 3.36 into 10 to the power 5 joules. Now let us consider Q1 be the quantity of heat conducted through the slab. We have the formula Ka T1 minus T2 into T divided by D, say equation number 1. And Q2 be the quantity of heat used to convert the 4.8 kg ice into water at the constant temperature 0 degree Celsius. It is given by Q2 is equal to mass into latent heat of the ice, equation number 2. But according to the law of conservation of energy, यहाँ से जो हीट एनर्जी पास हो गई वो पूरी की पूरी एनर्जी यहाँ खर्च हो गई. Therefore we can write Q1 is equal to Q2. The value of Q1 is Ka, T1 minus T2 into T divided by D, and the value of Q2 is equal to mLF, where LF is the latent heat of fusion of ice. We have to determine the value of K as it is, the value of area 0.36, T1 is equal to 100, T2 is equal to 0 divided by distance between two faces, D is equal to 0.1, is equal to the value of M is 4.8 into the value of LF is equal to 3.36 into 10 to the power 5. After simplification, we get K into 0.36 into 100 into 3600 divided by 0.1 is equal to 4.8 into 3.36 into 10 to the power 5. Therefore, K is equal to, we can write 4.8 into 3.36 into 10 to the power 5 into 0.1 divided by 0.36 into 100 into 3600 E into 0.1. Here 100 means 1 into 10 to the power 2, 3600 means 36 into 10 to the power 2 means 36 into 10 to the power 4. Yeah, 0.1 means 10 to the power minus 1, yeah, 10 to the power 5 means 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4 will be get cancelled, only remains 1 into 3.36 into 4.8 divided by 0.36 into 1 into 36. Therefore, K is equal to K is equal to multiplying numerator and denominator by 100, we get 480 divided by 36. 480 divided by 36 into 3.36 divided by 36. After simplification, we get K is equal to 1.24 joule per meter degree Celsius second. Therefore, the option is A. Thank you.